Mama Help has finally arrived.
That was quick.
Stand back, everyone. I'll have the fire out in no time. Oh, where is the fire?
No fire, but Doggy Go and Auntie Help are stuck in the pool. The ladder is too short.
I see. A good thing I brought mine then. Commencing Operation Doggy Rescue. Now let's get you out of here.
Thank you, Mama Help.
Don't mention it. I'm always happy to help. I'll be off then.
Better get this pool filled then, so you can all have your swim.
Yay!
This may take a while.
Aww.
Maybe we should come back tomorrow.
Oh, no!
Time for Mama Help to head back to the station.
Toodaloo.
I think Maya has spotted something.
Wait, Mama Help. I think we might need your help again.
Is there a fire? Cat in a tree? Earthquake?
No, I was wondering, could we use your big fire engine hose to fill the pool?
Now, why didn't I think of that? That's a great idea, Mya Go.
Hold on tight, everyone.
Here we go. Whoa!
That should do it.
Swim now?
Absolutely! The pool is officially open for swimming.
How exciting! And remember, no splashing. Oh dear, I spoke too soon.
Splash!
I never leave home without my swimsuit. Oops, I forgot. No splashing.
Aww.
Well, maybe just this once.
Hey!
Ah, there's that ball that caused all the trouble. Oh, don't do it, Doggy Go!
Oh, Doggy Go!
Not again, Doggy Go!
Okay, children, I'm starting the judging now, and the scariest costume will get the Halloween rosette.
Ooh!
Looks like Sammy's had enough of the party already.
Aww.
Enjoy yourselves. I'll just be walking around, looking at all your costumes and writing down my score.
Everyone else seems to be having a fabulous time.
Very original indeed, Tommy, and not the easiest costume to dance in with those flippers.
I'm not dancing. I'm swimming, Miss Teach. Watch out. Here comes a big scary fish.
Okay, who's next?
Arr, shiver me timbers.
Wonderful, Maya. If I didn't know it was you, I'd think there was a real pirate in the room.
I am a real pirate, which is why I'm so scary. Arr!
Maya seems to have impressed Miss Teach.
Ah, Sophie Play and Lucy Help. You are by far the scariest teapot and teacup I've ever seen.
Oh, banana coming through.
And what do we have here? Who's inside this costume, then? What did they say?
I don't know.
Well, a talking banana is scary enough for me. I wouldn't want to find you in my fruit bowl. Okay, then. I think I've seen everybody. All I have to do now is pick a winner. That's not going to be easy at all. Everybody scored very highly.
Oh,
How will Miss Teach choose the best costume when they're all so good?
Goodness me, this little ghost just gave me a fright.
This is Sammy. Hello.
Hello, Sammy. You know, I've never been given a fright before, but it's actually rather fun.
Well done. You scared Miss Teach. Yay!
And I think I'm ready to announce the winner of the scariest costume competition. The prize goes to Sammy Go for having the scariest costume and the best boo I've ever heard.
You did it, Sammy. You were the scariest out of everyone. Boo! Ah! This is going to be the best bicycle ride ever. ever.
Yes, I think you're right, Maya.
Ah, here's Mama Help with her very shiny fire truck.
That's a lovely bicycle you got there, Dada Go.
Thank you. It's new. Brand new.
It looks it. Enjoy your cycle.
Bye.
It's raining.
Oh, but I can't get my bike wet.
It's only a light shower.
That's true. Oh, it'll be easy to wipe away a few drops of rain. This wasn't in the weather forecast.
I think it's stopping, Dada.
Oh, yes, it's brightened up, and everyone's enjoying the bicycle ride again. Phew!
Whee!
Oh, puddle. We'd better go round it.
Nicely done, Dada Go.
Best bicycle ride ever.
No!
Splishy, splashy.
My bike.
Huh? Whoops! Sorry, Dada.
We forgot about your bicycle. Is it okay?
Ah, yes, it's fine. No harm done. It's just a bit of muddy water, Dada. Nothing I can't clean off when I get home. Come on, everyone.
Here's Henry Fix, out for a stroll.
Hello, everyone. Lovely day for a cycle. Yes, it is. Well, for a moment it wasn't, but then it was again, so yes, lovely day.
Dada's trying out his new bike.
Oh, let's have a look. It got a bit dirty. Is normally very clean and very shiny. That's a very nice piece of machinery you have there, Dada Go. Oh, dear.
There are black marks all over your new bicycle.
Sorry, Dada Go. I forgot that all morning I've been cleaning oily gunk out of an old engine with this rag. No problem. Easy mistake to make. A bit of soap and water will get that off. Give it a good old scrub. Sorry again. Bye.
Oh, Dada, your bike is so dirty now.
It's okay, Maya. It's a bit of oily gunk and grease. And mud. I mean, look on the bright side. It can't get any dirtier than it is already.
That's the spirit, Dada Go. But who's this blocking the path? It's RTÉjr, of course.
Hello, everyone. Hello, RTÉjr. Lovely day for a... Oops. Oh, sorry about that, Dada Go. Totally my fault. Oh, not to worry. It could happen to anyone.
And Maya's not done with her merry mission just yet. And now she and Dada Go are back home, Maya can put her plan into action.
I thought I said we couldn't stay up all night.
But we have to stay up so we can let Santa in the front door like you said.
Is that what I said? I suppose we can stay up a little while longer.
Looks like Maya and Dada Go are in for a long night. Ooh, maybe not that long after all. Staying up past bedtime is harder than it looks, and there's still no sign of Santa. But wait, what's this? It's Santa Claus! How did Santa fit all those presents in there? Maya and her family are going to have a very Merry Christmas this year.
Ho, ho, ho! Milk and cookies!
Santa?
Oh, dear. Phew, I'll just take these for the journey. Ho, ho, ho! What was that? Well, I better get this little one to bed. Come on, Maya.
Oh, it's Christmas morning at last, and Mya Go has slept right through the night.
Dada, wake up!
Huh? What's going on?
We fell asleep. What if Santa didn't get inside?
Oh, we can check under the Christmas tree.
Hooray!
What's all the noise, Maya?
He was here! He was here!
Oh, wonderful.
We still don't know how he was able to get inside with the presents.
I'm afraid we'll never really know the answer, Maya.
It's okay if we don't know, because we know that Santa knows.
I think you're right. Now, let's see what Santa's brought us, shall we?
Good old Santa. When it comes to making people happy, he always delivers.
Ho, ho, ho!
It's Sammy's size already.
Come on, Dada Go. Let's see how big we can make it.
Well, we definitely won't run out of snow.
That's a great start, everyone.
Heave!
Heave-ho, heave-ho.
Oh, my goodness. They've made it all the way to the park. And there's Tommy Stop with Ruby Make and Mama Make.
Wow! Nice big snowball, Maya.
We're making a giant snowman, Tommy, but it's getting hard to push.
We can help you.
Yes, if we all push together, we can help make him giant. Great, let's build him up on top of the hill.
Ah, yes, the hill.
I think he'll be fine here, Maya. He's the perfect size now.
Oh no, Dada, he's not big enough yet. He will see all of every day from up there too.
But...
Let's give it a few more rolls, Dada. We can make it to the top.
All right, so. Come on, everyone. Heave.
Ah, magnificent. They don't know their own strength. Finally, they reach the top and...
Ooh, I got you.
Oh, that was close, Go.
Great work, everyone.
Woohoo! He's almost as big as me.
He will be even bigger when we put his head on. Perfect.
There we go. Ah, lovely.
Oh, it's Miss Coach, out for her morning exercise.
Well, hi, everyone. That's a great snowman you built.
Hi, Miss Coach. It was quite a workout getting in here.
Oh, my.
Oh, dear.
Stop that snowball!
Oh. Hey, wait for us.
Oh, no, it's a runaway snowman.
Heel, Olympus, heel.
Don't worry. We'll get you back together.
Wow! Winding up our old cuckoo clock and making New Year's wishes is our family tradition. Right, Sammy? Tradition. Sammy, we have to stay awake until midnight this year. Sammy, wakey.
I wonder how Mama Make is getting on.
I'll have this clock ticking again in just one tick. There.
Thank you, Mama Make.
Look, Sammy, it's working.
Looks like someone will be snoozing their way into the new year.
Maya, it's time to keep the Go family tradition going.
I'm wide awake and ready to wind and wish. There. And now, do we wait until midnight?
Yes, Maya.
How long left now?
Well, according to our planetary tracker... Oh, no! Our planetary clock has stopped working. I think it has run out of battery power. How will we tell when it is midnight?
The cuckoo! That means it's midnight.
I knew the old Go family clock wouldn't let us down.
I think all my wishes are going to come true.
Really? All 12?
Yes, because I wished for the same thing 12 times. I wish that I would be awake long enough to say, Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Mya Go.